Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have another birthday challenge entry, and this one is from Rihanna Gomez, and she's Crafty Witch on YouTube. Let me see, I think I saw it around here. Yes, she's Crafty Witch on YouTube, and on Instagram, she's Crafty Ray. I'm going to have her link down below. You guys already know. Go check her out. Give her that follow. Give her that subscribe and show her that we help each other out, you know. And look, you guys, she had all this super pretty crinkle in her box. And she sent me the cutest little birthday card. Is that not adorable? Thank you so much for that, Rihanna. And let's get into it. So she gifted me some chocolate, which you guys know I love me some chocolate, and this super cute little Victoria's Secret face mask, which I've never seen, but look how cute is the name. It says avocado. Get it? Like avocado, but avocado. So cute. I love it. You guys know I love face masks. I've been getting so many from you guys that I am gonna have like the best skin ever. So she packaged everything up and she didn't seal anything down so that I can reuse all her packaging, which I appreciate so much. So in here, this one, she stitched it all up. You guys see that? And then she gave me this clip. I love these jumbo paper clips. And then look at this cute little pizza box. So adorable. She's got like this little die cut of a little girl. And all these little cute little layered die cuts. And then when we open it up, she's got some confetti and she gifted me some rosettes. Ooh, thank you. Can never go wrong with rosettes. There's some blue ones, some pink ones, and purple ones. These always come in handy. Thank you. I am going to be putting those in my basket. I have a basket filled with rosettes so that way when I need them for a project, they're all done. Grab one, good to go. And then these are her embellishments. I did see she posted a VR and she showed me these super cute embellishments. Look, you guys, I love that she put the crinkle paper and look how cute she decorated. So pretty. I know you stapled it down. I know you said that. I'm not going to be taking it out. I like to stare at the goodies you guys make for me. So it takes me a while to even use them, if I even use them, because I love to just stare at them as is. I know I'm not alone on that. And look, you guys, here's her card, which is adorable. I love these little stars. So cute. Loving the colors. And then in here, she has this cute little die cut that says, "Hey there, cupcake." And then it has Velcro, so of course I can reuse it. And in here, she just put a bunch of little goodies. Look how cute this little embellishment is. It's like strips of paper, the little butterfly. I love clusters. I love doing that. I actually have a video on my channel with clusters. But look, you guys, there's just a bunch of little knickknacks. There's pom-poms. There's acrylic buttons. Super cute. Fun little treats. Ooh! Which I end up putting inside either my bloom or where I have all my pom-poms. Definitely going to put those away and use them as I create my projects. And then, you guys, in here is her tag flip. And look how cute she decorated the outside. There's like, everything is separate. So if I want to use it, which is so smart. Look at this doily, how cute. I've never seen one like this. So this would be like the only one I have that looks like this. And then, look, you guys, everything is separate. There's like the little die cut. She's got the little rosette, the little balloon ephemera piece, and the little page flag. That is so smart to do. Like, if you want to reuse it, there you go. Nothing is attached. And then you can reuse the little bag. Thank you so much for that. And then, you guys, look, she put it so much crinkle paper, which I'll be leaving in there in case I want to re-gift. It already has crinkle paper in it. I'll probably end up putting the rest of the crinkle paper in here. And then, you guys, here's her tag flip. We're starting off with her tassel. Look how fun. Super colorful. The mints, the pinks. Look at the donuts. So cute. I love it. And then we start off with her front page. And it says, "Lily, have a sweet birthday." Look at the balloons. So cute. Celebrate. And this one says best day ever. And all the little donuts and stuff. That is so cute. Oh, look, there's little donut stickers that she gifted me. That's so cute. These are like page reinforcers. That is so cute. I've never seen that. I love those. Look at these little flowers she gifted me. So cute. And then look at this one, you guys. She did the whole pom-pom trim around it. It looks like a little tambourine. Happy birthday to you. I love those donut reinforcers. So cute. You gotta tell me where you got those. Sweet birthday. And then look at this one, and it has like a little pocket, and she gifted me some ephemera. There's these little flowers that she used for the packaging. Little tag, little tickets. I'm gonna keep these out so I can pull my ephemera. And it says yay. And then she gifted me some cute little resin flowers in like a teal blue. And then she made a little shaker tag. Look at that. That's so cute. I like the stitching like that when it gets like dark and then it goes a straight line. That's adorable. Super cute. Look at the little girl with her little dress. And then she gifted me some dry body oil. What is it? You apricot me. I love these little pun names. That's so cute. And then here, she had said that this is like a little opening here. So if I want to add a picture of my birthday, I can put it right there. Thank you for that. So that's a cute little way to like document your birthday. And then this is the back page, you guys. And she put the candles. It says 41. And then there's a little tassel attached to it with this super cute little charm. You guys see that? It's like a little perfume bottle with the number 5. And then look at this pretty tassel. So cute. I love it so much. Look at that. Thank you so much, Rihanna, for your entry, for all the extra goodies. I love every little thing, and I will definitely be enjoying my masks and my chocolates. And yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.